I decided that after sanding the big stingray, the baby stingray would be a cute addition. So now I'm sanding the baby stingray, and I think they would make great wall decor. Get back to work here. This is my stingray. Now that he's been sanded on both sides and I have a beveled edge, I have brought it outside here to put a base coat on both sides so I can choose later which side will be the main side, or perhaps it'll be double-sided. I have my paintbrush here, and I've just completed doing the base coat with a very neutral color. Later I'm going to decide if I'm going to paint him by hand or if I'm going to do a pouring. Right now I'm thinking this stingray wants a pouring. I have the silicone oil added to all the paints except the white one, which I'm going to put on as another coat before I add the other colors. I'm going to begin by putting this white base coat over these. And I think I'll just use my gloves to speed this whole process up. This first, it'll allow me to get the other paints to flow better when I'm ready to add the other colors. So this is kind of like a little bit of a primer. And I'm doing it around the edges. I didn't remember adding oil to the white, or perhaps it was in the white from a previous use, because I can see the cells on it now. You see the dots on the large one? I'm going to start with blue. Some colors are more dominant than others, and I've had situations where I've added a color only to have it be buried by another stronger color, so you never know. And I never want to take time to study them. Okay, now I have this pretty blue. It's next. And along here. You want to make sure you have enough of the paint or else it won't move. Okay, a little along here. Then I'm going to try to pick them up and get some of the paint to move, or else I'll do a swipe. Wow, I got carried away with the black on his tail. I'll do the same thing to the mom. Okay. Set that there. Now, maybe I'll put a little more white up here on the top. A little more white so it's nice and thick. I like to get these things from the paint store. They'll give them to me. And then I think I'll try swiping. Here it goes. When you do this process, you have to do it really lightly, because if you dig down too far into the color, you wipe it off. No, I don't want it wiped off. Ooh, I like that guy. He's pretty. Ooh, here it goes. Here goes the next guy. Okay, here. I probably should have picked up a different thing to wipe with, but I didn't. Well, it seems to be working fine. So I'm going to just keep going. There it goes. Maybe now I'll get a clean one. He's bigger, so I'm going to swipe with this large guy. Ooh. You can see I need to have that color come out on the edges. Ooh, I like. You never know what you're going to get. Oh, I'm liking that black. Now I'm going to bring my card here, try to bring some of this color on the edges. It helps get, ooh, can you see some of the little white spots start appearing? I don't know if I like those that much, but maybe it is doing something. I know a lot of people use this technique. I just hadn't used my propane much for this, or butane, I mean.